Hi friends, welcome to RS Car Modifiers. Friends, today we have got this brand new Tata Safari. So we're going to give you the brief on the modification what we have done. So customer has come all the way from 200 kilometers seeing the videos on our YouTube and Instagram channel. So we're going to give you the brief on the front profile. As you guys know, the lighting is very weak for this vehicle. So we have given them the solution of TA25. This is a brand from Ozum. This is going to give you a throw up to 150 meters and this is 16,000 lumens and very useful and helpful in the night drivings as well as for the highways. If we talk about the other profile, we have given them the complete horn, which is from Hella company, to have a better sounding. And along with that, if we talk about the inside profile, so guys, we have given them the complete safety provision. This is a dash cam from Mosimo. This is 2K front, 1K back for the night safety, as well as you'll have a continuous recording. And wherever your vehicle has been parked, it's going to give you a safety feature. Any impact happens on the vehicle, this is going to capture the glimpse as well. So along with that, we have given them the complete sun film, which is going to give you, all the summers are around. So we have given them the complete all around sun film for the all windows, and it is going to protect you from all kind of weather conditions and heat as well. So it's going to give you a good cooling effect, and your dashboard will not fade off and your seats will not get heated up, and it comes with an anti-glare. We have given them for the sides as well as for the front. So guys, if we talk about the inner profile, we have given them the ambient light. This is K4 Kadi brand, and this is going to come with a 256 multicolor options, and this comes with a single pattern. And you can see this is all going to be complete app based. You can change the colors, you can maximize, minimize the color options from your app itself. So this is all going to be mobile app based what applications you're going to get in this for the ambient light. So guys, this kind of a clean modification what we have done for this Tata Safari. So guys, this is the complete modification. If you want to do anything from base to top or it's a brand new vehicle, you can come to RS Car Modifiers for the best modification. We can give you the best solution, and you can see the glimpse of this very particular vehicle what we have done, the modification. Thank you guys for watching the video.